Hi everyone, this is Jen from WEITAI Hydraulic China. Today we are going to unbox this final drive. So it is an unboxing video. So you can see this really huge box is our WTM-40A. So it is really huge. The weight of this motor is more than 380 kilograms. So let's open it to see what it looks like. So now we are going to unpack let's open it. Oh, you can see when you receive our final drives, when you open this box, you can see the final drive is in this blue bag. This is our WTM-40A. Let's see what the motor looks like. Now it is, you can see this is our WTM-40A.